guys, welcome back to my channel. I got some heat for y'all. Some heat. Nah. I am doing like a Jack Frost, if Mrs. Jack Frost was invited to the Christmas party type of makeup tutorial. That's why we got the blue liner, we got the blue hoodie, we got the blue backdrop, and like we just bluing it today. Like that's just what we doing. We got the little frost going in the crease, we got the frost in the inner corner. So I'm just saying it's frosty in here, you feel me? Okay, so let's get started to this video. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, down there somewhere. It's free 99. It will not take but a second. Okay, so after you do that, check out my social medias, follow me, show me some love, and we're gonna get started to this video. And yeah, okay, so I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna just prime my eye. So we're gonna go in with the JACLYN Hill Palette times Morphe. Like this is my so now we're gonna go into, I don't know the names of these shades like I said before, so I'm gonna move from 1, 2, 3 in the crease. Those 3 shades I showed you, I'm gonna just keep building up my crease because I want this cut crease to be very, very detailed. It's all about the deets, okay? Detailed, okay? So, as you guys know, I'm gonna go in with my, I'm gonna just cut the crease basically, the same concealer. I'm gonna cut it kind of twice. You're gonna see in a minute. So I'm gonna cut the crease right now. A detailed angle brush. This is a brush I was using for my brows, and so I got the one with the spoolie on the end. So I'm gonna just go in with this and go into the JACLYN Hill palette again and go into this chocolate brown shade right here. I call it Snicker Bar because I lost the name, so I just named it myself. With the brush that we did with the 3 shades, and we're gonna just basically go over that. But you know, you don't want the brush to touch the line that you just did, so you're just gonna just go over that gradually. Like don't go in, you know. Now we did that, we're gonna go back in with some more concealer just to sharpen up that line. Crease is lit. This is the JACLYN Hill palette once again, and we're gonna go into this tan shade right here. So now we're gonna get on to the main attraction, which is the liner. I got this liner from NYX. As y'all guys know, like I'm obsessed with their liners now. So, what shade is this? This is Vivid Sapphire. This blue is like perfect. Like the backdrop, the sweater. Like, come on, like, honey. We're gonna pop some glitter, some pigment, let's say pigment, into the crease. I'm gonna be using the NYX pigments in the shade, is it shade? Yeah, in the shade Diamond. I'm going to use any angled brush, and I'm gonna use the NYX glitter glue. of the NYX liner glitter and Dramatic Sparkle. I'm gonna align a little bit more, like add a little gold to there, but not much. Okay guys, you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Y'all don't understand. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'm going to try to have a tutorial go up on Christmas Eve. If not, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you all. Don't think I am not going to have a New Year's poppin' makeup tutorial because you already know. Y'all already know what it is, what it is, what it is. Okay? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Please share with the world. Let's invite more people to the channel so they can join our family. I love you guys so much and see you on the next video. Laters.